Hi guys, my name is Steven Mondoki. I'm the founder of Ekasi Fashion Week. I'm so excited. Today we have a beautiful show. Models were there, designers were there. The hosts were beautiful. Everyone was beautiful. We're all about celebrating the youth day, celebrating the youth culture, models, designers, creatives at the whole. This is where we get a platform where we shine. It's our time to shine. So thank you so much who came. Thank you to everyone who came today. There were over about 300 people and we're excited. We're still gonna do more. Thank you.
Thank you guys. I'm partnering with Muhammad Africa with all his events that he hosted. So I've been with him since we've been doing this together. So the program that it was awesome. We can also do a fashion show and do that at the taxi rank. So had a nice turnout. Our local people did CSI support and all this. So thank you so much. We are doing it again next year.
Kamala Mubungan Malupi from Life is 5, community leader Akona. It's been 3 years since 2023. Zange saba namanzi amanzi wakhona mawaphuma aphuma ebusuku ngo-12. Abantu bala sebaze bayazi ukuthi if ufuna ukuwasha kumele uvuke ngo-12 ebusuku amanzi azokhona ukungena emshinini, otherwise emini awekho. Amagiza awasebenzi, sinawo asha aphela cause amanzi awangeni, awana pressure amanzi. Ema-toilet each and every house sinamabhakede ney'gubhu cause asinamanzi vele. Amanzi wethu aphuma ebusuku kuphela if ayaphuma, otherwise awaphuma amanzi njalo. And there's been maintenances nama-maintenance sihambile sakamasipala siyobuza ngamanzi every time sitshela ukuthi izolungiswa into yakhona. Next thing you know, rainwater, there's rainwater maintenance. Ekugcineni yenziwe i-rainwater maintenance indlulu amanzi awekho. For thina si-experience le nto leyo. The recent one iqeda ukwenzeka manje bathe balungisa instead of amanzi wethu kukhuphuka ipressure ivele yayehla kamampela manje awasaphumi nasebusuku uma uthi uyawasha vele kumele wenze sure ukuthi ugcwalise lawo mabhakede uzomumela amabhakede azagcwale kuqala before ama-showers wethu awasebenzi. And yet we do have them. Sizenzile izinto sizama ukuthi siphile impilo engcono but sesiphila ngathi semakhaya. Na ama-jojo tank basilethela ama-jojo tank. Senzani nge-jojo tank siselokishini? Abogogo abadala kumele baphume emizini yabo bayolanda amanzi ngejojo emini because amanzi awekho. So this is the problem esesineminyaka siyincenga sicela up until today. Hence sifike la sathi asisafuni kwaleyo jojo leyo sicela bayithathe basilethela amanzi. Whoever responsible for amanzi lapha ekuruleni siyamcela abasilungisele.